Oh my God! She is.
Hey guys, welcome back for girl, almost cussed. Welcome back for another video. This is Rayna from the future. Okay, I didn't do my welcome because I was that excited. That always happens. But first things first, if you are new here,
First off, welcome.
Rain Gang, welcome back, sis, for another video. Okay. You know, I always say I'm excited every video, but child, I literally love what I do. Like, God just be out here being God. Anyway, if you follow me on Instagram, even TikTok, you guys already saw that I had the pleasure to finally meet Tia. I've already met Tamara. I love them. I love them. And I'm not gonna make this a long intro. Hello. I'm not gonna make this a long intro, okay? Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and try 4UbyTia. I have not tried, smelled nothing. And so, you know, we're gonna keep it real. I love me some Tia, but listen, they embroidered our name on here on our goodie bag. And so I have the entire collection. I know it was like influencers, content creators that were invited for like the development of, and I was invited to that, but I didn't respond in time and I couldn't make it. So I guess I don't know the order. I don't want to say like, you know, because I couldn't make it, someone else was chosen, but I was supposed to go, but things couldn't happen, so I know I would have met her there. That being said, I was so happy to attend her event. It's just a full circle moment. Anyway, I'm talking too much, I know. I missed y'all. Hi. Okay,
let's get to it.
Clarifying shampoo, and I love that it has apple cider vinegar. There's also a moisturizing shampoo, which I think is dope that she included a clarifying and a moisturizer, because you should be clarifying your hair at least once a month. Moisturizing shampoo, which is gonna gently cleanse and soften with watermelon and Hemi 15. I gotta look up Hemi 15. I'll probably leave it on the screen. Moving on, she has a moisturizer conditioner, hydrates and nourishes, and then it has hibiscus, a lightweight conditioner, which is gently moisturizes and detangles with sea moss. She also has a leave-in cream that smooths, frizz, and softly holds with flaxseed and Hemi. Then my favorite, which I bought, so now I have two, is the curl defining gel. Of course, I was gonna get this. Delivers definition and shine with aloe vera. My hair loves aloe vera, so let's pray now, saints. And she has also curl refresher mist. I know some people like curl, you know, she has that, okay, and which I won't be trying today, but just to let you know, I'm not a big curl refresher type of person, so yeah. Then she has a hair oil, of course, multi-use hair oil with prevents breakage and adds sheen, vitamin E, and Hemi 15, silicone free. All right, I had to go and wet my hair, obviously. This is the clarifying shampoo. It suds up immediately. So, you know, that's kind of my preference, is to have something that suds. It makes me feel better. If it suds, I feel like it's cleaning. Okay, and I always work my shampoo down to the ends. You know, my faith wavers sometimes. Like, I don't have enough faith, you know, leaning on the Lord that I'm gonna assume that if I just wash my scalp, that the shampoo is just gonna trickle down and grab all the dirt and grime, and I don't have that much faith. Come on, saints. So if you are not into scents and you like faint smells, it's a very I want to say pear-like, but then it's so faint, it's hard to tell. Kind of like Bath and Body Works, but not as strong. I'm gonna go rinse this off. Yeah, my hair feels very, very clean, which I like my clarifying shampoo to strip my hair. I can always come back and put the moisture back in, and I'm only clarifying once a month. It's spring cleaning for me. Like, I want everything gone. Let's take off the seal. But yeah, y'all, Tia is one of the most nicest, most kindest people I have ever met. Her energy is... So this is gonna soften, hydrate. So since it's a rich shampoo, yeah. So the consistency is definitely different than this. This is more clear. I would expect, you know, for a clarifying shampoo. Yeah, suds immediately, which is what I like. So I'm gonna be honest, I'm not keen on the smell of the moisturizing, but it is very faint. You know, it's definitely not a deal breaker for me. Yeah, it's definitely a feminine smell. That's what it reminds me of, like something that you would put on a baby. It's just not clicking because my child is a teenager. I know she made the price points like really affordable, and I know that's kind of like a general statement. Hold please. All right, so rinse that out. Now I would have really thought that Tia would have had a deep conditioner. I don't know if she has a deep conditioner or not, but I don't have one. So she has a lightweight conditioner that is like a rinse out conditioner. So I'm gonna use this as my leave-in. Oh, I mean, not my leave-in, my deep conditioner. So after rinsing out the moisturizing shampoo, I mean, I look for definition. Like that to me lets me know that my hair likes the conditioner. Not extremely moisturizing, but it's not like I could tell I have a little bit more moisture than from when I use the clarifying shampoo. So I believe in following directions on products because it's there for a reason. Like things are formulated for a reason, what scientists should be. I know everyone likes to do their own thing, but I personally believe in following directions. So it's hydrated hair without the weight, and it's gonna detangle as well. It smells so good. And again, the scents are so faint. A floral perfume, like this smells expensive. Wow, this actually feels very like really good to the hair because it says lightweight. It doesn't feel like it's lightweight. It has a creamy consistency, so it's not watery at all. So that's good. Grabbing my pattern brush. I don't know, but it feels so good. Listen, I don't lie when it comes to products, no, because I'm old and I don't care that much to lie to anybody. You know what I mean? However, I just want everything to work. Because I love her. You know what I mean? And I just was like, I knew I wasn't gonna like it. I like it so far. It feels really good. Okay, Tia Deshawn Med School Mowry. All right, so I know it says mid shaft, but I just said I was gonna follow directions. Okay, just down here. Okay, that's what Tia said to do. Yeah, immediately, look at that. It looks very hydrated, and it is helping to detangle a little bit because I have not combed out my hair in I don't know how long. Go ahead and just kind of leave it on for a little bit. So while I do that, let me just tell you guys really quick. When I say she's amazing, she is amazing. I value people, and so I want to make sure that how I engage and interact with people is respectful at all times. I want to make people feel special and seen and valued. And I feel a lot of celebrities, grew up in LA, born and raised. You know, we see celebrities all the time. Speaking of see, where are my glasses? Oh, bless his name. Okay, because we see celebrities and that's just what it is out here, you kind of like just don't get starstruck anymore. Yeah, so what I'm saying is she was so sweet. I had to go inside of a room at the place that she had her event to use the restroom. I come back out. She was already, sitting with people, and she was just like, "Hi, I'm Tia." Like, girl, I know who you are. It wasn't on some fake, like, let me make, no. It was like, you could tell this is just like how she is. Like she made me feel so seen, so valued, so welcomed. I don't think I really ever felt that way from a celebrity before. Yeah. And I was on a call with Tia and met her during quarantine, and she was like, "I never forget a face. I feel like I've seen you before. Like I never forget a face." And I'm like, "Sis, it's me. It's me." And Tia came up to us multiple times. Just the sweetest person. And so I'm like, I have to review like the entire line. Cause child, I love her, but I only bought the gel. No shame in my game. I only bought the gel. I support her. So I'm just hoping that we like everything.
Are you done?
All right. So my hair is rinsed out. It does have a she didn't lie. It's lightweight. Don't expect like extreme moisture. It definitely is lightweight, but there is a moisture there, okay? Oh, y'all, I forgot that this was in front of me. So this is her moisturizing conditioner. Same thing, you rinse it out, and this deeply moisturizes. God dog it. So I'm just gonna assume that it works, okay? I am really big on stylers. Gels like that too. Oh, I love it so far. Okay, and this is what I'm gonna do. Because typically I would only use the gel because I really am interested in the gel. So I am going to skip the leave-in for just this section because I really want to see how the gel acts on its own. Okay, I love the smell. Again, it's kind of like it smells like a baby product almost, like very fresh, but like just innocent. Can you even use that to describe a scent? It's like not extremely thick, but it's not your typical like scoop gel, you know? I'll be honest, I'm not expecting a whole lot from this gel, but I don't want to write it off. I got a little bit of definition. First of all, let me see. Long-lasting styling gel that defines curls. Curls. It's a flexible hold. Okay. So we already know, like, don't have them expectations now. The only drawback is I was really excited about the twist cap. But once you get product on there, you gotta just leave it untwisted. It doesn't tell you how much to use. But if you're going off like the feel, depending on how thick your hair is. Oh, wait a minute now. Tia, not it weighing my curls down. Not it weighing my curls down. I'm not gonna be impressed until after it dries. Y'all know me, okay? Not weighing my hair down all the way. It's a flexible hold. So, I mean, you know, flexible hold, Rayna. Flexible hold. I'm gonna go ahead and try the leave-in now. Am I okay? Because it's just so faint. I'm like, do I need to go? I don't know. Oh, I'll be honest. I'm not a huge fan of like the leave-in. It doesn't feel as moisturizing for me. You know, please always remember when someone is reviewing something, it's according to their hair. So it can work completely fine and different for someone else. Now we're gonna see how the leave-in or how the gel works on top of the leave-in, okay? And the consistency is like where you don't feel like you need to use a whole lot. I don't know what to expect. I'm a little nervous. Second ingredient is aloe juice. There is no there is glycerin, but it's like the 10th ingredient, so it's not a whole lot in there. So this is how we're currently looking. I can pretty much say that this is not going to work for me. So I'm pulling out my pattern blow dry. I've been using this thing, been loving it. Saw my pattern review, my sponsorship with that I was gonna be using this from now on. And so this is what I'm going to pull out. I always diffuse my hair. Currently my hair has absolutely no hold. It just feels like it's a conditioner on here. All right, so this is my hair just diffused, okay? I always stretch my hair, always, okay? That's just my preference, but I don't feel like this is going to withstand, a stretch. I don't think, no. The application felt better to me with the leave-in and the gel. But I don't typically use leave-ins, so I only did that because it's a part of her line. I'm gonna use her oil. I'm just gonna do this to give me some shine. I don't know how it's looking on camera, y'all, but I mean, it's not terrible, but it's just not something that is my preference, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and just stretch it for good measure. We just gonna go ahead and do it. We can admit that it's not terrible. It is a flexible hold. My hair feels very soft. It feels hydrated. So yeah, I mean, she ain't lied. It's flexible hold. That's what she wanted to make. Can't diss it if that's what it says. Now, if it just said gel, then I'd be like, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and use the concentrator nozzle. Oh wow, that's not bad. Wow, I mean, it did better than what I expected. Okay. So here are my thoughts, all right? I gotta be honest. Let's just go down the line. Clarifying shampoo for me is something that I would love to have in my collection. I just need better clarifying shampoos, and I trust the ingredients and just hearing her talk about her product. But I love the clarifying shampoo. The moisturizing shampoo, I wasn't a huge fan of the smell. But again, the smells are very, very, very faint. I could see why it's moisturizing. I would like to have that, but if I had to choose out of the two, I would prefer the clarifying shampoo. The rinse out conditioner, I'm so mad I mixed up the lightweight and the moisturizing. So according to the lightweight one, I think it's beneficial to have, and I feel like the moisturizing leave-in would have probably worked even better. My apologies for not trying that on camera. So the leave-in, I actually enjoy the leave-in, but it's one of those consistencies where it's like once you kind of like emulsify it and like put it on your strands, it doesn't like work through like the entire shaft. It kind of stays wherever you put it. The gel, my hair doesn't look terrible. It doesn't look terrible. It doesn't. Is it typically what I go for? No. However, I can't get mad at it because this is something that I would not buy for myself because I don't like flexible lightweight hold. If you like flexible lightweight gels, perfect. There's still a lot of product in here. The squeeze that you're able to get out of this is enough that you need. Again, please be mindful, because I think sometimes we can be a little harsh. We have to be mindful that what she put on the bottle is exactly how it delivered. I'm actually surprised at the hold that I do have. Everything that she has on her, everything is like honest. I personally think this will go really well if you were to do a twist out or a braid out. Hear my heart, okay? Because I feel like you have to be very careful what you say when it comes to reviews, because please remember, my hair is my hair, okay? It could work fabulous, and you may have 4B hair and it can work wonderful for you. I classify as 3C even though I don't hair type, but for me, it's just not something that I need in my possession. I prefer a stronger hold. I love definition. I love to be able to kind of like make my own frizz. Remember, again, this is a flexible hold. With flexible holds, you should not expect, you know, a wet line or an eco styler outcome. Price point is perfect. The accessibility is perfect. Tia did what she set out to do. Would I purchase it again? No, I probably would not use the gel again unless I'm going for a look. For a wash and goes, no. I would probably use it for a braid out, twist out, even a roller set. Ooh, I think a roller set would go, am I making sense? Okay, I just want to make sure that I'm being fair, but I'm being honest. Yeah, I hope you guys, excuse me, be able to see you in your eye and look at you in your face. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But yeah, I believe you can find this at Walmart, and I'll leave everything in the description box for you to find if you're interested. I'm happy to have supported her. Everything is not going to work. Everything is not going to be a favorite, and that is okay. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you learned something. I hope you will go and support a Black-owned business, someone who I can vouch for and say that she is just an amazing, beautiful, humble person. And so I'll put my money there, and I will see you guys in my next one.